Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana. So in this video, I know I'm doing a whole lot of deep cleaning lately, and I will be explaining why, and maybe about my next video. So, but for right now, I am deep cleaning my guinea pig's cage. This was very, very, very needed. I know I have moved their cage away and like gave a good sweep under it, but right now in this video I will be taking their cage completely apart, giving it a good scrub, wiping down my walls, sweeping and mopping, and then just, you know, refreshing their cage up. I did not clean their hammocks or anything like that because I did it the last time I cleaned their cage. But this was very, very much needed.
Make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my as I know it should. Things turned around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, a little bit of good. Settled in the world like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down but things are looking up. I wanna get high, by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
Watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. If you stay, if you stay, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
So I do an outfit change because I really wanted to get in the shower after being on my hands and knees and being around all of the nasty. The reason that it's so gross in my kitchen right now is because the pigs were out and roaming around in the kitchen while I was doing their cage. So I am just cleaning that up. So I got a shower, my son got a shower, and we were ready to clean the rest of the home.
It's time that we put out the fire. With every breath I breathe you out, we just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without. Though this is hard to admit, I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. My heart can't take it any longer. This careless love is getting old. Let's face it, we're not getting younger. If all is said and done, it's time we let it go.
I am cleaning around my husband's around my husband's tower, and just really giving it a good wipe down and dust down, because when I say, when you clean these guinea pigs cage, they make such a mess. There is so much just debris that flies around, so much.
So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much. Can't see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? Why the steps getting wasted even though we feel the same? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you?
And we are here for some more laundry motivation. So I hope you're ready. Get ready to do some folding and some laundry because trust me, it was definitely needed here.
Oh my, mommy, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn, shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So me say, hey, pack up a bago. I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. Oh. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Adicto a ti, mi flaca. Tu cuerpo sacude como un maraca. Te miro y miro, eso sube y baja. Como en Caracas bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambinos contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sal. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental, y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista está
Told me that I
espectacular.
make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, 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 oh my. Can't wait wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo ma, esto está fijo ma.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got me, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
And I'm just ending this video off with me hand washing a few things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some deep cleaning motivation, a little bit of laundry, and a little bit of dishes. So I will see you guys in the next one. Please leave me a comment, like, and subscribe. And also, I really want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys liking my videos and just watching my videos, and really thank you for even deciding to subscribe to my videos. I really truly do appreciate all of you. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.